What's good, YouTube? Got something new from Frito-Lay. Got them Ruffles flavor swap, Doritos flavor. So let's try them so you don't have to. Don't smell too bad. It don't just smell like a Ruffle potato chip. Got a burnt one. Let's see what they taste like.
Blue. Go that way, go that way, go that.
Yeah, I don't see how you can make a taste like a Cool Ranch. You know, it's flavorful. It's a different flavor. It'll pair good with a sandwich, but it's not my cup of tea, I guess, if you want to say that. Taste the Cool Ranch, but it's not like a Dorito. Would I buy a bag? Probably not. I wouldn't buy a bag of these. But if I had no choice, I guess I would. But other than that, nah, this ain't my cup of tea. I give it a 6 out of 10. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll talk to you later.